Welcome to GKey Solutions Private Limited.
SQL Server Integration Services, classes and real-time interview questions and answers. Part 38. What is pivot transformation in SSIS?
In this part of training, we are going to discuss about what is pivot transformation in SSIS. The pivot transformation in SSIS is used to convert rows into columns during ETL. It is similar to the SQL pivot but done visually inside a data flow task. What pivot transformation does? It converts row values into column headers, groups data by key column, places the value onto the correct pivot column, places a crosstab structure, and the key properties in pivot transformation are pivot key. It is a field that becomes new column names. Set key. It groups the rows, and a pivot value, the value placed in the new columns, and output columns, final column list after pivoting. Where it is used. Transforming monthly sales rows into a single row per product, converting row-based survey responses into columns, creating pivoted Excel style reports, data warehouse dimensional modeling, etc. We can see these things practically in SSIS. We are in SSIS. I'm trying to create a new package. Here I'm trying to renaming it as Pivot Transformation. To work with the pivot transformation, first we have to see what is the data that we are trying to pivot now. This is the sales monthly data which is having product name, month name and amount. Amount is going to be like summarized or aggregated. The product is going to be grouped, and this month name Jan, Feb, March are going to be created as new columns. This is how the pivot is going to work in our SSIS package that we are going to create here. Before to do that, we can do the same thing by using SQL commands as well. Here I have created a table by using this script. This is the create script. I'll be providing this script in the description. You can use for your practical purposes. I'm just selecting the data. This is the data that we are having in the target. Like in the like one of the table that is called sales, as it is in Excel that we are having. I'm trying to pivoting the data without using the SSIS package by using SQL query. This is the query. By using this query, we can pivot the data. This is also possible by using SQL queries as well. But now we are going to do this thing by using SSIS package by taking the data from an Excel source. Now I am trying to configure the SSIS package. To do that, we have to take the data flow task. In data flow task, we have to connect to a source component, that is Excel. The data we are having in an Excel file. We are taking Excel file and I'm trying to browse and make a connection to this Excel file. And here the sheet, if you preview the data, this is the data that we are having. And before getting to the next thing, we have to sort the data by using the sort key. Here sort key would be product. Let us be it as ascending, and now we are going to do pivoting here. If transformation is not visible there, you can search here in the search bar, and I am trying to connect the sort transformation to the pivot transformation. Here we have to select the pivot key. Values in the input data from this column will become new column. That means this is the month name. Pivot key will be month name. Why? Because this month name is going to be created as new columns. And set key, identify groups that is going to be grouped by using product column. Here pivot values, the values that are going to be grouped are amount. And I'm selecting ignore unmatched pivot key values and report them after data flow execution. Here we have to create to generate the different like month names. What we have to do is we have to execute this package without connecting the target. Now I have executed. if you get into the view and output, you will see the columns which are going to be pivoted like this. These are the different columns that have been created. This is the 12 columns. I'm just copying these columns, and we are getting to the package again. On pivot key, if you right click, it will show you show advanced data, and in that input and output parameters, go to pivot default output and output columns. Here, see, before that, here we can change the names as we require. Before that, we have to paste the columns here. Based on it, we have to generate the new columns that are going to be created. By clicking on the generate column now, these are the names that are going to be generated, and click OK. Now, as I said before, just go to show advanced data, input output properties, and pivot default output. These are the different names that have been created. We can change these names as we require. I'm just changing these names like this. For all the columns, I'll do the same. Why? Because we can leave these things as it is, but for the convenience to get the month names like this, like January, February, March or something, I'm just changing it. In this way, we have to change all the columns. It is not required, but I'm just changing for the convenience. See, these are the columns which are created by clicking on the generate output columns. And you have to come to advanced editor, and here you have to make the changes to the column names which has been created by clicking on generate new columns. Now it is almost done. These are 12 columns with the 12 month names that we have modified. Okay, now all the columns have been renamed. Now we have to load the data to the target table. Now I am trying to take the OLEDB destination. Why? Because I want to load the data to the database table, that is SQL Server database. Here, sorry, it is OLEDB source that I have taken here. We have to take OLEDB destination. I'm connecting to the destination, a new connection. The connection has been established already. I'm taking this connection here. And table or view fast load I'm taking. Why? Because it is going to use the fast load utility. It will load the data faster. If you have lakhs of records, then it is the best approach to get into fast load option. Here I'm trying to create a new table that we have discussed before. By using this component also, we can create a table that's called Pivote. Or you can create the table in the target with all these columns. You can load the data. Pivote _ trg. This is the table that I'm trying to create in the target, and I'm getting into the mapping. The mapping is also fine. I'm trying to load the package now. The package got loaded successfully. Let us see the data in the target. This is the actual data we are having, and now we are going to see the converted data. Let us see the data in a new window. Select star from pivot _ trg. Is the table that we have created by using the OLEDB destination command. This is how the data has been changed. Now the month name column has been regenerated as 12 different columns, and product has been grouped to A and B. In this way, we are going to work with Pivote by using or by creating a package. We can do the same. For that, we need a sort transformation and pivot transformation, and source and destination we require to do the same by using SSIS package. This thing we can do by using SQL Server scripts as well. I think you got some idea about the pivot transformation. Thank you.
Stay connected with GKey IT Solutions
on all your favorite platforms. Follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. Join the GKey community and grow your IT career with us.